Hi crafty friends, Alicia the Cheeky Bum back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Rocky. And thank you so much, Rocky, for joining this swap. I give her props. She's got a broken shoulder and she still managed to put this together, and I give props to her man because her boyfriend helped out because, you know, she can only do so much with one arm. So I just want to say thank you so much. You didn't have to join, but I really, really appreciate it. And I'm excited to open your swap. But I'm going to open this one because this has my name on it. So we'll see what's in here. But look how cute these little baggies are. These are like the adult, like Capri Sun bags, booze bags, whatever you want to call them. But I did not see them this year. I did not. So in here we have our straw. She's seen better days, but that's okay. I probably won't use it anyway. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are little, oh, look at, I need this die in my life. So this is a little coffin box die, and inside she's got all kinds of little nail charms. And she's got two or three more little coffin boxes in there for me. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. So cute. What else we got in here? She's always got these little Tic Tacs in here. Love those. And one of these pens, or they're like stackable markers. I've gotten these before, and they're just so cute, are they not? But now I'm glad that I have one for myself because I got them, but I gave them away in swaps. But now I have one for myself. What else do we have in here? We have a little bat stamp. And then we have some ephemera pieces. These are from Michael's, but they go so well with little boo things. So I'm so excited to have some of these. And then we have some little ghosties and other little foam pieces from Michael's as well. And then, oh, some erasers. I did not get these, but I'm happy to get these because I can just turn these into little charms, or you can use them as flat backs. Oh, they're fun. They have like little holographicness to them a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but I can. I don't think this one does, but very cute. Thank you so much, Rocky. Let's get into her little embellishment box. Here are her shakers. So cute. And look how cute her little box is. Hey, Ghoul, hey. I love this paper. Love it. And it looks like it is packed. Look how packed full of stuff this is. So up here we have some foam flowers. We have pom-poms. We have other little foamy bits. And are these, oh, they are foam too, but they almost look like chipboard because they got like a chipboard front, but foam on the back. I want to just make sure that they are going to lay in this spot right without bending. And then over here, oh, we have some buttons. These are really cute. So this one's a button. This one's a flat back, but those are really cute. Look at this. Where are these from? Like maybe Buttons Galore? I've seen this little guy. Oh, here's another little button. But these little like shaker flatbacks are really cute. And they have like little seed beads in them. So cute. So we have a little wooden apple. We have a bat ring. There's just all kinds of stuff in here. Here's a spider. Oh, here's another little flat bag. There's a whole kinds of gummy bears in here. There's a candy corn. And a little ghosty. Are these just all? All right, those are all gummy bears. All right, let's zoom in a little bit more. So over here we have one of the jack-o'-lantern bells. I don't know if I've seen the purple one. We have some ghosty trim right here. We have pumpkin eraser. All right, so oh my gosh. We have a little witch punch. That is cute. I can't wait to see like when somebody gets this, what this looks like. This is so cute. And then you have your little Tic Tacs in here as well. Man, you like packed this full. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get this back in. Well, maybe. And then over here we have, she's taken the foam pieces and made paper clips with them. So cute. So you can use them in your little spooky journal. Oh, here's another little ghost charmy. And then we have some of the picks down here. So we have the little witch picks. So we have the little hats, the little boots, and the little witch hands. They're like witch hands, but zombie hands, whatever you want to call them. These are really cute, and I've actually used them in my crafting this year, and they're cute. And then she's got this fabric piece in here. Look how cute that is. So cute. And then over here we have a little flat back bow. We have more of these erasers. These erasers are really fun. And yeah, you can turn these into charms. You can use like the screw little head pieces that you can put in there, or you could put like glue like a flat back bail on the back to make them charms. There's a little stamp. There's like a little silicone bead. She's got a tassel in there. She's got bows. She's got a little clothespin. So much goodness. Oh, now it's restacking. There we go. And then over here, I'm not going to dig through this. This is all jam-packed full of the foam pieces from Michaels. So there's ghosties. There's probably pumpkins. There's probably, what else is in that pack? There's spider webs. There's all kinds of stuff in there. Like I keep... This is how I've stored all of mine. So yeah, there's so many fun pieces in there. But yeah, I'm not gonna dig through them. We have a little like alien guy. That could be cute. You could put a little screw in the top of his head and use him as a charm too. That would be really cute. She's got some little Mentos gum in here. She's got a spider, a little skelly hand. There's some picks. She's got, are these rolls of stickers? Okay. I just didn't want to. So in here, she's got stickers that she's rolled up and she's put around one of these bottles, and they're like, they just say boo, like a holographic boo sequence. How cute is that? So that's ghost breath on there. Oh, let's see, hopefully I can get these back in, but that is so cute. And then she's got little ghosty dies over here. And she's got a whole pack of beads, Kishi beads, orange beads, gold beads, white beads, black beads. So cute. I like these bright orange beads. And then she's got a little sequin mix in here. And then, oh, here's another little charm. So much fun. Again, thank you so much, Raquel, for making this happen. You definitely didn't have to. Make sure you're sending her some good vibes, some good healing vibes. And yes, thank you so much. I'm going to link all of her information down below so you can go give her some crafty love, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.